In the previous video, we have seen how objects are responsible for calling a constructor. In that video, I was using a default constructor. The same code is also repeated in this video, as you can see. In this video, we are going to study parameterized as well as default constructor. This is a default constructor. Now let me create instance variable so that we can use constructor for initializing them. I am going to use string name as my first variable and second will be string gender. You can use n numbers of instance variable. Just for now, I'm going to use only 2. Okay, these are my instance variable. Now I'm going to use this default constructor for initializing them. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to use the this keyword. This name is equals to the value in double quote string value. Then the second this dot gender, the gender value which is in string semicolon. Now I'm going to call the variable by using the reference variable p dot plus the gender. Now Control S, save it, right click, run as Java application. Here you can see the values are printed. So we have used a default constructor for initializing an instance variable. This is a default constructor. So just let me write default constructor is used for initializing instance variable. Now if I am having another object like person, p1 is equals to new person. Here the same constructor will be evoked and both of them will have the same name like I have given you. So we don't want to use this. Here I am going to use parameterized constructor. Like, okay, I have given a string. So I am going to give here a value string that will be for my name. You can have any value here, string, is Rena, and gender. Here you can see I am getting an error. Constructor string is undefined because parameterized constructor is not there. I have to create a parameterized constructor. Okay, just go here, write the access specifier public. Constructor name is same as that of my class name, person. Then the scope. As you can see, two constructors the same name cannot be here. So I'm going to write parameter string name and string gender, all the instance variable which I want. As you can see, the error goes away. Rena to name and female to gender. And then I'm going to use the this keyword, this dot name is equals to name semicolon this dot gender equals to gender. Save it and then system dot. Let's also print out p1 object. Save it and let's run. So you can see both the outputs. This is a parameterized constructor which is calling this. Name is submitted and gender. This is an example of default. This is the default constructor with no arguments. And this is the parameterized constructor. In Java, there are only two constructors. One is default and parameterized. Constructor. Okay. Let me Z. So in this video, we have studied how to create a constructor.